So tonight I wanted to run a video on my TPOB Go. I know the white one is about to drop. This was the first edition. Probably I had to have been the first person. I remember that day perfectly. And this is my senior, man. The one this brand always talks about, but can never duplicate, man. It's my favorite one. I don't care what anybody ever says, man. This is my baby, man. This will never go nowhere. This will always be my baby. And it is heavily. It kind of reminds me of the old man that this guy's fit in with the Gucci. But then he got gold. He got the gold Rolex. And then he got the gold. I don't even know what kind of blade that is. I've never seen anything like that. Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, because I put it on there. Anyway, I want to do a sound test, so I'm going to do the best I can while holding these ones. This one's going to be really loud, but it's got a little trick up its sleeve. Got a custom motor on it. So, let's put up the play real quick, or the go real quick. Play the go. I prefer plays before the go. Just don't feel like I get the power. So there's that. You tell me which one has more power. 9,000 RPM? Come on, man. I feel it in my hand that I got more power, man. And why I got more power? Stop playing with me, people. I don't know, man. Then I'm about to cook with this thing, man. I'm about to cook, but you don't even have to worry about that because that's, let's go.